Welcome to S&C Custom Designs. Tonight we're making candle holders, and it's pretty cool. You just use a Forester bit and it drills these wonderful little circles. You may be tempted to try one of these. It'll do the job, but it'll do a choppy job. So you definitely want to get a Forester bit. These guys are awesome. It does the job with accuracy, and it's meant to drill really nice, perfect circles like this. So, yep, that's the next thing we're doing. We are going into business this Friday. DBA S&C Custom Designs. Stay tuned.